Seams and stitches part 1. A stitch. One unit of conformation resulting from one or more standards or loops of thread interlooping, interlooping or interlacing and passing into or through the fabric. A seam. The application of a series of stitches or a stitch type to one or several thickness of materials, or the seams are formed when two or more pieces of materials are held together by stitching. Threads participating for the stitch formations: needle thread, bobbin thread, looper thread and cover thread. Stitch formation methods: intralooping, passing of a loop of a thread through another loop formed by the same thread. Interlooping, passing of a loop of thread through another loop formed by a different thread. Interlacing, passing of a thread over or around another thread or loop of another thread.